In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find settings in Claude AI. By the end, you will know exactly where to go in both the web browser and the desktop app to tailor Claude to your preferences. Manage your account and control privacy features with confidence. Let's start in the web browser first. Make sure the left sidebar is visible. That's the navigation hub for Claude. And it's where you'll find your profile controls. If your window is very narrow, the sidebar can appear minimized, so widen the window until you can see it clearly. Now look to the bottom left corner of that sidebar and click your profile area, which shows your name or your initials. This opens a small pop-up menu with quick options. From that menu, click Settings, the Settings panel will open, and you are ready to customize. Inside Settings, you will see a few key sections. In Account, you can review your email and manage essential account details so everything stays up to date. In Appearance, you can switch between light and dark modes and adjust font styles, helping you create a reading experience that's comfortable for long sessions. Next, open Privacy to manage how your data may be used for training and product improvement. Take a moment here to choose the options that match your comfort level. These controls are designed to give you clarity and choice. Finally, go to Capabilities to enable or disable specific features. One important example is chat memory, which can help Claude remember context or preferences across conversations. If you want a more personalized experience, turn it on. If you prefer each chat to start fresh, turn it off. Your changes save quickly, so you can test and adjust as you go. Now let's switch to the Claude desktop app. Open the app, then use the fastest shortcut to reach Settings. Press Ctrl and the comma key together. That jumps straight to the Settings window. If you prefer using menus, click the three horizontal lines at the top of the app, select File, and then choose Settings. You will find the same familiar sections: Account, Appearance, Privacy, and Capabilities. So everything you learned on the web applies here too. Make your adjustments and you are set. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.